Galpin Ford is the #1 volume dealership in the world for 23 consecutive years. We have the largest inventory of new Fords to choose from. Here's the vehicle for you.
What do you get when you combine a high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy body with a fully boxed frame made of 95% high-strength steel? The ultimate work truck, the Ford F-Series Super Duty, F-250, F-350, F-450. They all come in your pick of 6 trims. More choices include 2- or 4-wheel drive, regular super or crew cab, short or long bed, and single or dual rear wheels. There's a 6.2-liter Super Duty gas V8 that puts out 385 horses and 430 pound-feet of best-in-class torque, and a 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel V8 delivers 440 horsepower and a stunning 925 foot-pounds of torque, both class leaders. Available Sync 3 with voice control, brings Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and class-exclusive trailer reverse guidance takes the stress out of backing up with a trailer. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build an F-Series Super Duty that's all yours. The Ford F-Series Super Duty. It's the toughest, smartest, most capable Super Duty yet.
Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Galpin Ford #1. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years. Galpin Ford has thousands of vehicles, and to better assist our customers, a friendly professional staff that speaks 21 different languages. When you visit, be sure and take advantage of our many amenities, including the horseless carriage restaurant and full-service Starbucks. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.